All right, well, we are here at Rancho Seco Lake. Beautiful little place. And we're gonna be throwing pretty much anything that cranks. Crankbaits, spinnerbaits. Goal today, throw some crankbaits, catch a fish. I'll give you guys a midday update, see if we catch anything. All right, let's rock out with a rod out. .5 degrees. But first, we're gonna hit up these toolies. And I believe there's milfoil, a good 2-3 feet of milfoil. Either that or hydrilla, I don't know. Maybe some cabbage. Can I get some cabbage? Right, we're in 8 feet of water. Turn this thing around. Oh yeah, look at all that milfoil. Gotta be a bass in here somewhere. There's gotta be a bass in here somewhere. We'll start shallow, then we'll work ourselves out a little deeper. This water is super clear. I mean, I can see clearly 10 feet under right now. I would say water visibility is probably gonna end up being like 15 to 20. All right, we're gonna switch baits here. Just that for about 20 minutes. Don't see fish, but I don't think I have the greatest fish finder for that either. We're gonna throw on this 8-ball lab shallow diver. We're gonna be fishing about 10 feet of water all day probably. Imagine that's where they're gonna bite, but I don't know. Ball labs, crankbait, here we come. Do me some justice. Slow retrieve. Maybe a little, maybe throwing a little bit of a twitch pause in there. Oh, twitch. What that looks like. Oh, actually, that's not bad. Let's try that. Let's try a twitch pause. Well, we got something on the radar back there. So maybe we will try. See if that is a decent spot. Got one. All right, we're on something. Yeah, stay down. Woo! Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Come on. Got one for the day. Oh, and it's a good sized one at least. Please do not. Oh yeah, that's a good sized fish. Nope. Do not shake. We'll get these hooks out of you and get you back in the water. No skunk today, boys. Yeah. There's one. I'll get the second one out. And you will be on your way. Beautiful fish, guys. No skunk today. Yeah. Go get some, mister. And what is this, cabbage? Cabbage. Anybody want some cabbage? Alright, no more bites. We'll move back to this creek over here and see what we can't get. Man, if you guys get a chance, get some of these gloves. These are the Kufin Gear UPF 50 gloves. I got to keep my hands from getting sunburnt because I'm low in melanin, and you know, just for skin safety reasons, never wear shorts on a kayak while you're fishing, and this is why. And we are out, my friend. Feel some turbulence. So there's something about this area right here that is drawing my attention. I can't tell what it is. Got another one, guys. Boom. Oh, this is I think it's a good one. Boom, got another one. Oh, good size, good size, good size. This crankbait's killing it. Nope. Nope, come back here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, another nice fish. I'd say it's about 1.2 pounds. Alright, not 100% sure I got that whole fight on tape. I just caught another one, this bad boy, on the 8-Ball Labs crankbait. Let's let it go. Well, day's over, guys. We only caught 2 fish, but I mean, we did cut it short because there was a lot of people on the water here today apparently, and they kept taking my real estate. But anyway, who cares? I caught 2 fish, no skunk today. Woo! And I guess one more thing of note is, who needs a truck when you got a Prius? Yeah! Alright guys, I will see you next time. Oh, you smashed that. Dude, that was dope.